Buenos días, mis estudiantes. Hoy es miércoles. And it's part 2 of our story about Cristobal Colon. In order to do part 2 of our story, we do have some more vocabulary that we need to learn. So if you can grab a piece of paper and a writing instrument, I would like you to write these words down 2 times each. They are especias, which is spices, seda, silk, llegar, which is a verb, and it means to arrive, peligrosos, dangerous, oeste, west, este, east, barcos, ships, and dieron, they gave. Dieron is actually a derivative of the verb dar in a past tense, and the eron is the they form of the verb, and we'll get into that in a little while. But these are the words that you need to know for today, so add them to your list from yesterday, because this will be our Christopher Columbus vocabulary list that we will need to know. Make sure you write your vocabulary from today 2 times each. So yesterday we learned a little bit about Christopher Columbus, like where he was born and his wish to be a sailor, even though his father was a weaver. And today we're going to read the next part of our story. I'm going to fix this little guy because he's covering up some of our words. So we're going to start in paragraph 2, and it starts out with, En ese tiempo, a los europeos les gustaba comprar especias y seda de la China y de la India en el continente de Asia. Tienen que viajar distancias largas por tierra para llegar a estos lugares. What do these 2 sentences say? It starts out and it says, at that time in Europe, people liked to buy spices and silk from China and India on the continent of Asia. They had to travel long, or where did it go? Largas distances by land, por tierra, by land. Remember, terra firma, very similar, it means land. So they had to travel long distances by land to arrive at these places. Estos viajes eran muy peligrosos. These journeys, these trips, which we had viajar, were, there's our past tense of is, very dangerous. Peligrosos, there's one of our words. Colón quería encontrar una ruta más corta para llegar a la China y a la India. Columbus wanted to find a short way to go to these places like China and India. Colón creía, believed, que la tierra era redonda y que por lo tanto, navegando en dirección opuesta, opposite, o sea, hacia el oeste, podría llegar más rápido al este. Columbus believed that the earth, tierra, was redonda, round, and that by sailing west, navegando, in the opposite direction, he would find a quicker route to the east. Okay. Colón no tenía barcos ni dinero. Now, if you notice this here, no and ni, Columbus did not have ships nor, neither nor, dinero, money. He didn't have either one. Él visitó a las cortes de los reyes y reinas de Europa solicitando ayuda. He was going to kings and queens all over Europe and asking them for help because he needed this. Por muchos años trataba de convencer a alguien de financiar su viaje. He spent many, many years trying to convince, and here's that word, convencer, someone to finance his trip. Por fin consiguió la ayuda del rey Fernando y de la reina Isabella de España. Finally, someone agreed to pay for his trip. The king and queen of Spain. Le dieron, there's that word from vocab, they gave, a Colón, to Columbus, una tripulación. This is crew. I don't think I gave you that word on your list, but you can add it. Tripulación, a crew de 90 hombres, 90 men, and 3 barcos, 3 ships. Los barcos se llamaran, this is the past tense of llamar. You know how we say como se llama? The ships were called or called themselves the Nina, La Pinta, y La Santa Maria. That concludes our part of the story for today. I know it's only Wednesday, but today we are going to do our journaling as well as writing our vocabulary words. So in addition to writing your words, what I would like you to do is use the vocabulary list that we compiled from yesterday and today and write 2 original sentences in Spanish using as many of those words as you can. I look forward to your imagination and originality, and I hope you have a great day.